Beautiful.
Look at that, guys. I'm underneath the apple tree. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh yeah, see, there's that song. Don't sit under the apple tree. Right? That's true. Look at that, guys. Alright. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more really, really cool videos of the randomest places, abandoned places, beautiful farms, historic places. Oh man, I'm just having too much fun today. This is beautiful, beautiful. I mean, like, wow. But then there's some right over here, guys. Right over there. Beauty.